Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling 8 garlic cloves, 1 egg yolk, 1/2 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Peel and crush the garlic to a fine paste using a mortar and pestle or mince very finely on a board. Place the paste in a clean bowl and stir in the egg yolk and lemon juice until smooth. These room temperature ingredients help the emulsion form. Keep measured oil nearby so you can add it slowly when you begin whisking. To create the emulsion, whisk the garlic paste with the yolk and lemon until homogeneous, then begin adding 1/2 cup olive oil drop by drop while whisking vigorously. When the mixture thickens, you can change to a thin, steady stream. Keep a consistent whisking speed and room temperature ingredients. Sudden cold or fast addition will break the sauce. For an easier method, use an immersion blender or countertop blender. Combine paste and yolk, pulse at low speed, and pour oil slowly down the feed tube to emulsify. If your sauce breaks or looks oily, stop adding oil and whisk in 1 teaspoon warm water or start with a fresh egg yolk in a clean bowl and slowly incorporate the broken sauce to re-emulsify. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt or a little more lemon juice for brightness. Transfer sauce LAL to an airtight container and refrigerate. It keeps for up to 3 days. Serve chilled as a dip for vegetables, a spread for bread, or a sauce for grilled fish and roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.